Welcome to Spider Traveling Tour, located at Zone 3, Hama Street, Barangay Masagana, El Nido, Palawan.
So everyone, good morning!
Good morning!
What a nice energy, ha?
So what's up guys, for today's video, ngayong araw nga mag-island hopping tayo dito sa El Nido, Palawan. So yun na guys, first stop na namin ang 7 Comando Beach dahil kasama siya sa Tour A package na binuko. Ang Tour A package has 5 different islands like 7 Comando Beach, Secret Lagoon, Payong-Payong Beach, Premium Big Lagoon, at Twin Rock Snorkeling.
Wow!
Pagdating nga namin sa 7 Comando Beach, nag-volleyball lang kami for today's video. Second stop nga namin dito sa snorkeling area. Sobrang ganda for today's video. After that, proceed na kami sa lunchtime area for today's video. Shout out these 2 person and 1 girl with me on kayak for today's video. Next stop nga namin ang Big Lagoon. Okay, you guys, you need to go there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's really nice there. Follow them, what they do.
What time do we have to be back?
It's a 3,
Oh,
but
it's
we're waiting.
2:52.
Yeah, but the tour guide is there. The other guest is there.